Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to share a recipe called vegetable frittata. Basically, the vegetable frittata is the Italian omelette. It is cooked with the vegetables. So today I'm going to give a recipe of vegetable frittata, which I'm going to do it now. For this, you can choose any vegetables. You can take squash or things like that. But here I have taken tomatoes. I have cut the tomatoes in a thin slices, cut into half, and further halved into two pieces. I have a little bit of onion. I have sliced potatoes, just like for the scallop potatoes. I have a little bit of cilantro. You can use basils. I have American sweet corn, and I have green pepper. What I'm going to do, I'm also going to use 4 eggs, some milk, and some cheese. Of course, salt and pepper. For the time being, I'm going to first of all roast all the vegetables. So when you bake it in the oven, so the vegetables are cooked, it becomes crispy, kind of getting cheesy with the cheese, cheese. So it's kind of very tasty for the breakfast, and it is very filling because we are going to use eggs, milk, heavy cream, and the cheese. So this is a pretty good breakfast, Italian breakfast called vegetable frittata. So I'm going to start doing that by stir frying the vegetables first. I'm going to stir fry the potatoes, the tomatoes, not much about corn, but I will do a corn so that all the water will get evaporated. Also do the same thing with the bell pepper and onion. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pour some oil, just a little bit oil, which is not anything for the deep fry, just a little bit, so that all the vegetables will get coated and it is cooked well, right? So I'm going to do that, just to put 2 teaspoons of oil, and this potato is already cut. I'm going to put all of those in one lot so that it is cooked well. Once it gets fried a little bit and brown, I'll add some salt and pepper to taste. Uncovered for a while. Like that, and I will transfer. Now I am going to get the corn. The corn has some water, right? So we will evaporate the water by just frying it just for a few seconds, few minutes. Too much. Just frying it just for so that the water should not be there. Whatever. That's it. We are going to transfer it. This is done. I'm going to add some salt and some black pepper. The onions are lightly caramelized because I put the salt and pepper and I'm cooking on the high heat. So it is pretty much done. I am going to transfer this also, and the last will be remaining is the tomatoes. So this is done. I'm going to add the tomatoes. Try to not break the tomatoes, because the tomatoes should be cut like that, halves. Just on the high heat, just to get it hot cooked, because rest of the cooking will be done in the oven. We'll add some salt, some pepper. What we are going to do next is to make the baked eggs. I'm going to use only 4 eggs. I'm using the country eggs, the brown eggs, which are much tastier than the regular one. So I have 4 eggs there. First of all, I am going to whisk it so that the yellow gets dissolved. The good things about the brown egg is that they have too much yellow. The white matter is less, so the egg yolk is much heavier and thicker and bigger. So that's the reason I prefer to use the egg is beaten. I'm going to get some salt. Make sure you adjust the salt to your needs. Don't put too much. I'm going to use some pepper. I'm going to whisk it. Here I have 1 cup of milk. I'm going to pour the milk. I am also going to put 1 teaspoon of heavy cream. I am going to whisk it again so that it should be all smooth. I am going to add some mozzarella cheese. I will mix it well again, and when it is mixed well, I am going to pour this mixture gently into our base. So this is mixed well. I am going to pour it all over, so this gets covered pretty much. You can see that the cheese is coming on the top. Make sure you put all the cheese, and I am also going to add some more cheese on the top. Make sure it is spread evenly. You can see the vegetables are also coming up. To this, at the final stage, I am going to add some pepper just on the top, just a little bit. that's it. Now I am going to bake this at about 220 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Wait, no. No.
It is the oven is already preheated. Now I am going to put that in the middle rack, gently to the middle. Done set.
Wait, this one. Okay.
So we are done with our baking, and I am going to take it out. It's all done. Pretty brown, still sizzling. So this is done. You can see that. I am going to cut it now and place it on the plate.